up, YouTube? It's your boy Twinkie. It's Monday, and I decided I'm gonna make another video. I had a slight problem this morning. I woke up and I went in to take my morning shower and, you know, get ready for my day and all that. And I walked into the bathroom and I turned to flip the switch on, and the switch was already up, and I'm still half asleep. I hear the fan going. I'm not realizing that what was going on, so I flipped it down. It didn't come up, so I flipped it up and down, up, down, up, down a couple more times. And realized that I didn't have a bathroom light. So yeah, so I had to perform my morning ritual in the dark. That wasn't too fun. But needless to say, I went to work, worked my day, and during my work day, I spotted a golf cart down a ways yet, and the boss said he was looking for one, so I'm gonna go look at that and see if it's gas or electric, if it's any good, and find out what the guy wants. And in the process, I figured, well, I might as well go get some light bulbs. So I was getting all ready to head out and go to the store to get some light bulbs, and then to go look at this golf cart. And I realized that one of my old buddies from school, Mr. Joey, was trying to sell some LED bulbs a little while ago on Facebook, and I don't think he was having too much luck with it. So I decided to hit him up, and he said he's home, so that's what we're gonna do now. Howdy. $2.
Sure you don't want more?
I forgot I had the $2. All I thought I had was the 10. Yeah, we lost our bathroom light this morning in the apartment we're living in. You know, apartment. Yeah. You know, and I went in to take a shower, and I walk in and I go to flip the switch up, and the switch is already up, and I look up and I hear the fan running, and I'm still like half asleep, and I'm like, what's going on, man? Real nice guy, Mr. Joey. We were high school friends, and then we kind of grew up, and he adulted a little quicker than I did. And time to go look at this golf cart. Alright. Oh, Mr. Scott with Scott's Power Equipment is outside. He's a good dude too. Yes, he is. Scott's Power Equipment. If you need your equipment serviced mobily, he's the guy to call. Birdsboro, Pennsylvania. Give him a call. Shout out, Scotty. So I don't know who this guy is. He's just riding the same direction I am, and he's just in front of me. So friendly howdy rev. Whoa, Blackberry, ba-ba-da. Whoa, Blackberry, ba-ba-da. Maybe this is what I should do after my Mondays. Make my Mondays short, and at the end of the day, go for a cruise. That's what I should do. I was contracted to repair my boss's scooter, his little scoot. He doesn't have a bike. He's got a scoot. He's got one of those Chinese 150cc automatic scooters where you just twist the throttle and go, like a moped style deal. and the idle screw had fallen out. And it needed a bigger spring to compensate for the US tune. So I had to replace that idle needle, and obviously, you know, once I tuned it in, I had to run it, test it, make sure everything was good, and then make sure it would sit and idle properly and start up and all that. And I took it out, and it was funny because going from riding this to riding that scooter, it was like, oh my god, I was sitting so much higher. It was harder to like maintain balance because the center of gravity was higher because I'm a bigger guy. And the other thing that really got me every time I did it, every time I went to brake, I would grab the right brake, the clutch, and I would reach for my rear brake, and my foot would just hit the wall. And I'd be like, crap. I love this bridge. This guy's got a rough driveway. Whew. Alrighty, there she is. Let's check this bad boy out. It's got a little tiny utility body on it. I'm sure they can make a bigger one if they need to. But it's got that little trailer hitch. That thing is neat. I got done looking at the golf cart, and I gotta say, it's pretty nice. And yeah, it's pretty much exactly what my boss was looking for. So I'm gonna run it by him and send him some pictures and see what he thinks about the price. I forgot his name already. Damn. I'm gonna call him and be like, yeah, this is the guy that was looking at the golf cart. I'm like real bad with names, I'm sorry. Just be like, yeah, my bad. Howdy, howdy, howdy. Oh, that was pretty nice. Low rider. Well, I can't wait. Next weekend is the safety course. Sunday, and it's an all-day event. I don't really think I'm going to be able to get some footage of it, but I'm going to try, and we'll see how that goes. I definitely can't wait. I got everything all lined up. I got my mesh jacket in, got long jeans, I got a new pair of boots at Walmart the other day, on Saturday, so I got those. I got the gloves already, and of course I have the helmet. I mean, you know, I'd be stupid not to wear a helmet, because, I mean, it is illegal for me not to wear a helmet, but that's besides the point. So, and the bike's inspected. Yep, can't forget that. Doggy! Well, guys, that's pretty much it for today. Like I said, it's Monday, and This is just an after work ride. I ain't get done work till like 7 o'clock, so I'm heading home. I hope you all liked today's little video. This is gonna be my first week with more than one video in it. And don't forget to like, comment if you would like, and smash that subscribe button. Peace.